All right. This is Kenya's song. This is from the movie Pete's Dragon, and it's called Something Wild. And I think I mentioned before, if you watched the video, I remember watching the '77 movie back when I was a kid, as my sister used to take us to the movies when we lived in Rhinelander. Okay, so if you look at this right here, we see that the first chord that we're starting with is B flat. Okay, and this is kind of a neat site too. I sent this link on this assignment, but it shows the uke chord. Okay, and we're going to show you how to transpose this if you don't want to use these chords, if you want different chords. All right, so we'll show you that. But we want B flat, G minor, C minor, E flat, and F, and it's 5 chords. So let's take a look at where Kenya's is at. And there's a reason why we have 3 of these set up, so we'll show you that. Okay, so the first chord that Kenya uses is B flat. So right here. And let's make that a little bit thicker so you can see that there. Good. And then the second chord is G minor. And then the third chord is C minor. And the fourth chord is E flat. And then the fifth chord is F. All right, so what you can kind of see is everything is grouped together. This is really cool. It's all grouped together right here, right up here. So our circle of flats is telling us that everything takes place in this section. And our key, check the center one here, is in B flat. Isn't that cool? So those are the chords that are used in this song. Like, unlike the other songs, there's no big jumps over here to the other side of the circle of fifths. Now, what happens if we're teaching you piano and you're like, oh man, I don't want to play in B flat because Mr. Johnson taught us the chords in C, key of C, C, D minor, E minor, F, G minor, and A minor. All right? So what we can do is we can transpose this. So we can just take this circle and just go and move it over here. This is so cool. So instead of B flat, we're going to say we want the key of C. Like that. And that means we're in this little wedge shape right here. And right there. So we're just taking this song and we're just going to move it over 2 clicks. Click, click. So that F is now going to become a, move it over 2 clicks, a G. And that E flat, 2 clicks, becomes the F. And the G minor, 2 clicks, becomes the A minor. And the C minor, 2 clicks, becomes the D minor. So this is the same song transposed to the key of C. Now, this is a little bit above our pay grade right now, but I'm just going to mention it. When I play this song, in order for me to play this in the guitar in the key of C, I would actually have to make my strings longer. I don't want to do that. So I'm going to put the capo on the first fret, and I'm going to go from B flat down to A. So I'm like, okay, I'll play my ukulele in C, or I'll play, something else. I can play my piano in C. I want to play my guitar in A. So now I'm going to take this one over, and I'm going to say, we want the key of A. All right. So that's what we want. So now we know we're just taking this right here and we're going click, 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 click. So now we're over here and the chords that we're going to be using are all in this section here. So we're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over. So the F becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The F becomes an E. And the E flat becomes a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a D. And the G minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 becomes an F sharp minor. C minor becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a B minor. Isn't that cool? So what we've just done is you've used this circle of fifths to transpose this song in 3 different keys. We went from a B flat key to the key of C to the key of A. And again, this is the one that the song is originally in. That's the song key. And this is the one that we're going to put up for the piano key. And this is the one over here that I'm going to use for the guitar. All right. The next cool thing I'm going to show you, if you look at the song right here, it looks like this. You had your maps drawn, you had your other plans to hang your hopes on. Cool song. You know, the best thing I like about this is I like to hear the stuff that you like. And when I find out what you like, it's like I'm hearing this kind of music again for the first time. So, okay, so it came in the key of B flat. I said for the piano, we want it in C. All I have to do is this. See this little transpose down here? I just go click. No, I'm going the other way. Click, click. No, I'm going the other way. Oh yeah, here we go. So we went from B flat up to B up to C. Check this out. C, A minor, D. Now it's in the key of C. And you know those chords because you made the C chord. And you know the A minor chord. And you know the D minor chord. Okay? And you know the F chord. And the last one is the G chord. You know that. So that's all you need to know. Isn't that cool? Now, if I play this on guitar, I'll just transpose it until this is in an A. So I want to play my guitar in A. This is where the song is originally played. Now I'm down in A. So I'm going to play the A guitar chords, F minor, F sharp minor, B minor. Okay. So that is what we're doing here.